In this lecture, we will try to understand two uppercase, two lowercase, trim and equals method. First, we will try to understand first three methods. These methods, these three methods, these methods convert the string, converts the string to uppercase, to lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, and deletes any white space, any white space exists before and after, before and after the characters, respectively, isn't it? For example, let me take one simple example. String str1, equal to, let me say hello. Let it be. If I print this one, system dot out dot, let me say println str1 dot to uppercase, let me say like this. What it prints? To uppercase means it prints, what is the output of this one? It will print capital letters HELLO, isn't it? And let me say string str2 equal to, let me keep this str2 as capital letters, hello, let it be in capital letters. System dot out dot println str1 dot, so let me say str1 dot to lowercase. What's the meaning of to lowercase? Let it be not str1, str2 dot to lowercase, let it be to lowercase. What it prints? It prints HELLO. Let me say string str3, equal to HELLO. Let me say like this. System dot out dot str3 means system dot out dot println str3 dot length. What it prints? It prints 7, isn't it? Let me say I have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am keeping white space here. Here also I am keeping white space. Means something like this. Here I have white space, HELLO. Here also I have white space before H and after O, like that. Observe white space before and after hello. That's what it says, isn't it? str3 dot length. What it prints? It prints 7. Let me say string. Let me say string str4. String str4 equal to str3 dot trim. If I write dot trim, what will it get? System dot, if I print system dot out dot println, let me say println str4 dot length, isn't it? Now what it prints? str4 dot length means it will print 5, isn't it? What is the reason? Trim means what? What is the intention of trim method? It deletes any white space exist before and after, before HELLO and after HELLO. It deletes this white space and this white space. Isn't it? It's simple one. It is simple and straightforward one. Now we will try to understand our last method equals. This method compares. This method compares two strings. How many strings will it compare? Compare two strings, and if both are same, if both are same, returns true. Else false. Anyway, we will try to understand all these methods. Let me say class space, class name, petty methods. I am saying public static void main. Let me choose some color here. Yes, string str1 hello, string str2 hello. Here I am keeping string str3 and observe the white space before and after word hello 2 str1 dot 2 uppercase. What is my str1? It is in small letters. 2 uppercase means just see it is printing in capital letters. Hello to str2 2 lowercase. This hello is capital letters. 2 lowercase means it will print lowercase letters. str3 dot length. What is str3 dot length? str3 means world 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. Therefore it before trimming its length is 7. Let me say str3 dot trim. Trim means this white space and this white space will be removed. Therefore str4 dot length, what is its size? Its size is 5, isn't it? These methods are simple methods. Now let me say I have class space, class name is, what is this? Compare demo, string str1 hello, string str2 hello, string str1 dot equals str2. These two methods are equal, therefore it is returning true. str1 dot equals str3. Of course, this is small h, this is capital H. They are not equal, therefore it will return false. str1 dot ignore case means it will not care whether it is uppercase or lowercase. str1 and str3, even though this small h is not this capital H, as it is ignore case, it will not care about whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Therefore it returns true. It is simple and straightforward concept. Let me demonstrate this. JAVAC space pretty method dot java, JAVAC pretty method. This is the output what we were discussing. Another one, compare demo dot java, compare demo. This is the output, isn't it? Just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. As I told you, it is simple lecture. Thank you very much.